RVs, come to Moix in Conway.
Mr. Michael, can I ask you a question?
Sure, George. What's up?
I see that Moix RV has won this Top 50 award again. What is it?
It's an industry award given for a job well done. There's this RV industry magazine called RV Business. Every year, manufacturers nominate dealerships throughout the U.S. who then submit a wealth of information about their operations to be reviewed by an independent panel of industry leaders. After the review process, which includes measuring customer satisfaction in both service and sales, the panel selects the top 50 operators for that year. Moix RV has been selected multiple times for this prestigious award. It lets RV shoppers know that your store is the place for superior RV sales and service.
Is there a Top 50 Puppets award?
Geez, George, I don't know. But if there was, you'd be #1 in my book.
Yeah!
If you want the best in RVs, come to Moix in Conway.